What is going on, guys? This is Chad. Thank you for watching another Is That Chad auto reviews video. Today we're taking a look at the all-new Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring. Now this is the first time I've actually been in front of one of these CX-9s, and I gotta say it's a great looking car all the way around from the front to the back. I really like this car. So what we're going to be doing in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a walk around of this car, showing you what you can expect when you get to the dealership to take a look at one of these, going through a brief explanation of all the features and functions and all that kind of stuff. So make sure you drop a comment, let me know what you guys want to know more information on. Also let me know what kind of vehicles you guys would like to see next. On this channel I review a wide range of vehicles, always looking for more content, so let me know what you guys want to see. Make sure you go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel for more content. And with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into this thing. We're going to go ahead and start here on this front end. I happen to really like this front end. I think it's really aggressive. Let me see if I can get to this angle where you can see. Yeah, look at that. Really nice. Goes straight down there at the beginning. Now, this is going to be a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder motor, giving you about 22 miles per gallon in the city, 27 on the highway. So not bad miles per gallon. It's going to get you 227 horsepower on it. So not bad specs there. I want to point out these headlights first. You're going to have this really nice LED daytime running light with the LED projector headlight as well. It looks really good. Only part up there that's not going to be LED is going to be the turn signal, because you do have the LED fog lights down here at the bottom as well. Another thing you're going to notice on the front of this car is going to be this huge front grille with that sensor right there in the middle. Right there where that Mazda emblem is actually going to be a sensor in there for the adaptive cruise control. Work our way over here to the side. You're going to notice you have these really nice looking rims on here. They look really good. Another thing you'll notice is going to be these turn signals on the mirrors. Really nice. LED, of course. Now this car is going to have the push button start and the remote engine start. Sorry, not the remote engine start. It does have the smart entry system with the push button start though. Working our way on back here to the back. Of course, you have your CX5 all-wheel drive badging, as well as your Sky Active technology badging. The back of this car is also one of the things I really like. The overall shape of it doesn't look too much different than what you've seen in the past. However, these tail lights here really throw it off and really make it look really good. Go ahead and show you guys on the interior of this. And of course, you are going to have a automatic tailgate there, opening up to quite a bit of space in here. Quite a bit. Of course, you can fold these seats down right here. Something I really like is the ability to only fold down this center seat. So you just pull this guy here, and then only the center seat folds, which is something I really like. Now, of course, when you have all of these folded down, it is going to be a flat surface. The front seat's stopping that one from going right now, but let's go ahead and hop inside the back seat and show you guys what that's looking like. Of course, you're going to have this really nice leather with the dark wood trimming on it as well. Nice perforated leather with the double stitched right there. Really good looking. Go ahead and hop back here. Now this is something I really like, something I actually haven't seen from any of the competitors, and I've done a lot of looking and research with the Honda. That's what I'm pretty familiar with, and this is something you're not going to see on any Honda product, and that's going to be two 2.1 amp USB chargers for the back seat occupants, located right here. It's really nice, really nice. And then of course you have your 2 cup holders and a little slot there to stick your phone. Fold it back up there. Of course, you are going to get air vents back here in the back, as well as pockets on both sides of the seat, which is really nice. Now, I do have this front seat scooted all the way back, and I'm 6'1", so I'm a pretty tall guy, and I still have about 3 fingers of space there, so definitely not cramped. Not the most space in its class. This is where the Honda does have more space than this. However, this isn't bad at all. Go ahead and hop up here to the front seat. before I actually hop up there, let me just see if I can't get you a good angle of the whole thing right here. See if we can focus. There we go. It's a really nice interior. I'm gonna talk about this infotainment system here in just a second. I'm not a huge fan of it, but that's just me personally. Let's go ahead and hop up here and see what we got. So looking at the front seat, once again you have this nice dark wood trimming continued in the front, and that's going to go all the way across the front of the car, all the way across the dash to the other side. Go ahead and get these hazards turned off. Let's go ahead and look at the steering wheel. Steering wheel is really nice, laid out really nicely. It does have quite a bit of buttons on it, but they're all pretty easily there. Adaptive cruise control, Bluetooth, all that kind of stuff. Now all of your gauges are still going to be analog except for this one on the right, which is going to be digital, and you're going to get things such as your instant miles per gallon, your trip rater, all that kind of stuff over there on the right hand side. Radio, you are not going to get Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on this car, which is something that is definitely lagging behind. Pretty much all other makes and models offer that, but for some reason this does not. Another thing I'll point out is the glare on this screen. I'm not even, all the way in the sun, and it's pretty bad. A lot of glare on that thing. You do have, of course, a sport mode here, and then of course you can put it in drive and slide it over to the right and control your gears here all the way up to 6. It is a 6-speed transmission. Dual automatic climate control, of course, with heated seats on both sides. Electronic parking brake with auto brake hold. And then back to this radio. Now the radio is of course going to be touchscreen. That's pretty standard now. You can touch it. It is a far reach. I don't really necessarily like reaching all the way up there, so they did give you this as well. And this little guy here, you just twist it and then select how you want to do it. It is much easier than touching this. However, personally, I just rather the screen be right here. Just let me touch it. I'm not a huge fan of these at all. But let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think about those. Go ahead and show you the center console here. You have another 2 USBs as well as a micro SD slot, so you can put your own music in there. This isn't a very deep console at all. It's not very big. Speaking of not very big, let me show you this glove box here. It's not the biggest, but it is carpeted, which is really nice material in there. This car does have the Bose audio system in it as well, with the sunroof included. Now guys, that is going to end it for this video. If you guys want to see a drive on this car, please go ahead and check out my channel. I am uploading one of these as well, so you can be able to see how it drives on the road and how it accelerates and all that kind of stuff. Please drop a comment. Let me know what kind of questions you guys may have on this vehicle or any other vehicle if you have one. Also, let me know what kind of vehicles you want to see me do next. Please drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe to my channel for more content, and thank you guys for watching another Is That Chad auto reviews video, and I will see you on the next one.